Dear partners, customers and friends of Ingenieux, we have lived for a few months in a dramatic situation, full of uncertainty for every one of us, for every of our businesses around the world, in a way we could not have imagined before. My thoughts goes to all the people that have been affected directly or indirectly by the pandemic. The cinema industry, as well as all the industry for culture, has been severely hit by the pandemic. The studios are closed, nearly all activities for creation have been stopped, major exhibitions have been postponed or stopped, and we live with an absence of visibility of what is possible in the near future. The impact on our freedom, on our personal life, on our personal development is very strong. The pandemic is testing our personal behaviors, is testing our values in our communities, in our companies, in our nations, and the way we want to react together and prepare our future. This is an absolutely new situation that requires mobilization every day. In Thales, the mother company of Ingenieux, our first priority has been to protect the safety and the security of our people on the site. With the support of the management of the company, we have set on site with high efforts all the sanitary rules to protect our people. We have built a remarkable approach of teams to define and put in place all the best conditions to guarantee the continuity of our businesses. So far, the return on site have been very encouraging and people feel safe on our site. In parallel, we have put in place new methods of working, such as alternate teamwork or fostering remote work whenever is possible, and find new ways to go to the market with digital marketing, webinar with sales and customers, and direct conversation whenever possible with our customers. I would like to thank all the people that have been dedicated to foster the recovery of our businesses. Based on this approach, Ingenieux production paused for less than a month and started again mid-April with the production of Optimo Ultra 12 times that was shipped to China end of April. Technical teams were able to work remotely on our product development, and I am proud to say that our Optimo Prime program remains on schedule despite the difficult situation. More precisely, the silver set of our Optimo Prime series have been revealed on May 14th, exactly 1 year after the launch in Cannes. In our world, it is a nice achievement. Ingenieux teams are full of resources, and in critical situations that happened over the last decades, they have always been able to transform difficulties into opportunities. This is what happened this time again. Ingenieux, like all the manufacturers of the cinema industry, is affected by the crisis. But Ingenieux belongs to Thales, an 85,000 people company, which is full of resilience and is very capable to go along through the crisis. Ingenieux is actually one of the few brands of the industry that belongs to such major corporations. Ingenieux is strong in Europe. Ingenieux has strong partner in the Americas with Bandpro, and in China and Southeast Asia with Jebsen. Therefore, our customers can continue to trust our brand, can continue to invest in our product, which are of high value for the future. Remember, the Optimo Prime series is quite unique on the market because of its high-end, genuine full-frame specification and because of its unique integrated optical palette that gives director of photographies the ability to make their own creativity. This product line is an example of Ingenieux innovation capacities and customer-oriented state of mind. This product line has emerged through a lot of dialogue with rental companies and DOP because Ingenieux is at the service of their creativity. As president of Ingenieux, my ambition is to be and remain the leading optical company for the high-end cinema industry with a large and comprehensive portfolio of zoom and of prime prepared for the full-frame format. Ingenieux has the know-how for all this portfolio because it started this experience more than 50 years ago with primes. Our ambition remains to be the leading brand and to always set new standards for the high-end cinema industry. As a conclusion, I want to express my deep feelings to the cinema industry, to our customers, to our partners, to all the cinematographers. I hope that the cinema set will reopen soon, and I am convinced that what is the case, we will all get out of the difficulties and recover our momentum. I can tell you that Ingenieux is at the service of the industry, whatever the circumstances. Be safe, be healthy, and see you soon. I thank you for your attention.